Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find sound and vibration. Now let's tap on phone ringtone for the first or second SIM card. As you can see, you can divide them, which is a quite cool option. I'll show you how to change the ringtone using the first SIM card. So let me tap on it, and after that we will have this pop-out window with the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the bottom of the list, we've got this option Add Ringtone, thanks to which we will be transferred to our own files, and if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere in those folders. Here you will be able to set it as a ringtone. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it and of course unmute the device first of all. And there we go. This is how we can check the ringtones. We can decide whether we like them or not, and if you will decide that you want to set, for example, this maybe Kuma, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.